Zippo lighter. Yeah. Ah, shit. Oh. Nice. Shit. Hell yeah. Alright. Oh shit. Yeah. Nice fuck. About to add this Zippo, fuel. Alright, 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 alright. Alright, I put the fuel in. I kind of spilled. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in my face. Alright. Oh, maybe I should do my other hand. Alright, here we go, here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh, man, the fan. Alright. Let's see if it works. Oh. Wow. Look at that. My hand's all awkward and shit. Hell yeah. Had to adjust the wicker with the tweezers.